This is how you create a realistic lipstick here in Photoshop. Let's go! Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do is to add a solid color. So we're gonna choose red and then hit OK. And then the next thing to do is to click this layer mask and then Ctrl I or select invert. And then we need to go to brush tool. Alright, and then we can adjust our brush size. Okay, so we need to zoom in so that we can brush it properly. So the next thing to do is to go to blending option. And then drag it down, this one. And then click Alt. I think that is good. And hit OK. And the final step is just go here and then click multiply. And we're done. This is before and this is after. And then you can choose any color of lipstick you want. Example like this. And we're done. Thank you for watching. Peace!